Hey guys, I guess I had the camera pointed to the mirror, which is just freaking weird to begin with. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, anyways, today guys, we are in Holbox. Holbox. I said it the extremely white way. I'm just playing around. It's Holbox. Yesterday was our first day here. We got here a little bit like early afternoon. My first impressions are, I don't know, not great. I'm still gonna give it a chance. The reason I say not great is because, first of all, the mosquitoes are absolutely horrific. Water pits everywhere. There's like big, like lakes basically on the road. Stinks really bad too. First impressions. But the beaches are nice and beautiful. We saw a good sunset. I'll insert that right now, that sunset. Beautiful. So they have these taxis right when you get off the ferry, and they're like souped up golf carts. They're like off-road golf carts, because I don't think like normal golf carts can get around on Holbox. They'd get stuck right in a big pit of water. The water's just coming right into the cart. So like we had to lift our feet up. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Interesting first day, but hopefully my mind will be changed by the end of this trip. Yeah, stay tuned. So we started out our day with this healthy free breakfast that's included in your stay at the Casa Margo Hotel. And every time I say Margo, I can't stop thinking about this.
Excuse me, her name is Margo. Now Margo or Mango, Wells Fargo. Someone said Wells Fargo. Like, her name is Margo.
Okay, so this is exactly what I was talking about earlier. Look, this is the road right here. So we're just scooting along the edge, and this is how it is all throughout the island, as far as we've seen anyways. We're about to head uptown, so we'll find out if in town is like that. There's the golf carts I was talking about. I'll zoom in. See, they're more like side-by-sides. They're not really golf carts at all. They're like off-road vehicles. Well, we succumbed to the bare feet. There's so many big puddles everywhere, you almost just have to. The locals are doing it, so yeah. When in Rome. So after walking around Holbox for a little while, it was really reminiscent of places like Sayulita, although Holbox is more like the drowning Sayulita. And that's no disrespect to the locals, but I mean, come on, this place is literally sinking.